Welcome to our detailed guide on how paper is traditionally made. Let's dive into the fascinating process step by step. From the towering forests where the journey begins to the intricate machinery that transforms raw materials into the smooth white sheets we use every day, the making of paper is a testament to human ingenuity. Join me as we journey through paper mills, witnessing each stage of this ancient craft. We will uncover the secrets behind the transformation of wood into pulp, a process both mechanical and chemical, and explore the delicate balance of artistry and engineering that goes into creating a material so ubiquitous, yet so often overlooked. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer scale and complexity of paper production, a process that has evolved over centuries yet remains deeply connected to the natural world. Our journey begins in the heart of the forest, where towering trees stand as the silent giants of the paper-making world. These trees, often softwoods like pine or spruce, provide the essential raw material wood pulp. The harvesting process, carefully managed to ensure sustainability, is the first step in a long and intricate journey. Once felled, the trees are stripped of their bark and transported to the paper mill, where the transformation from lumbering giants to the building blocks of paper begins. The air hums with the sound of industry, a symphony of machinery working in concert to process the raw timber. At the mill, the logs are greeted by a chorus of mechanical saws and chippers, their once imposing forms reduced to a cascade of wood chips. This process, known as chipping, is crucial for breaking down the wood into manageable pieces for the next stage of the journey. The air is thick with the scent of freshly cut wood as the chips are sorted and cleaned, removing any impurities that might hinder the paper-making process. This is a delicate dance between brute force and meticulous precision, ensuring that only the highest quality materials move forward. The transformation from wood chips to pulp, the lifeblood of paper, is a marvel of modern engineering. In massive digesters, the chips are subjected to a carefully controlled chemical bath, breaking down the lignin that binds the wood fibers together. This process, known as chemical pulping, results in a slurry of cellulose fibers, the very essence of paper. The air hangs heavy with the smell of chemicals and steam, a testament to the transformative power at work within these giant vessels. For many types of paper, the journey towards a pristine white sheet requires an additional step: bleaching. This carefully controlled process removes any remaining lignin and color impurities from the pulp, leaving behind a blank canvas for the written word. While essential for achieving the desired brightness, bleaching is a process that demands careful monitoring to minimize environmental impact. Modern mills employ increasingly sustainable bleaching methods, ensuring a brighter future for both paper and the planet. The pulp, now a creamy porridge-like substance, undergoes a process of refinement, a kind of spa treatment for paper fibers. Beating the pulp further separates and softens the fibers, making them more pliable and ready to bond together. The degree of beating determines the final texture of the paper, from the smooth finish of high-grade printing paper to the rough texture of watercolor sheets. It is here, in the heart of the refining process, that the character of the paper begins to emerge. The transformation from pulp to paper reaches its crescendo in the paper machine, a marvel of engineering that stretches the length of a football field. Here, the watery pulp slurry is spread onto a vast moving wire mesh, water cascading through the gaps, leaving behind a delicate web of fibers. As the web travels along the machine, it is pressed, dried and smoothed, gradually taking on the familiar form of a paper sheet. The air is filled with the rhythmic hum of the machine and the gentle flutter of the nascent paper, a symphony of creation. The still damp sheet of paper, fragile yet full of promise, now faces a series of massive rollers, each one exerting tons of pressure to squeeze out any remaining water and compact the fibers. This pressing process is crucial for achieving the desired thickness and smoothness of the paper. Each rotation of the rollers brings the paper closer to its final form, the delicate balance of pressure and timing ensuring a flawless surface. Emerging from the presses, the paper embarks on a journey through a labyrinth of heated rollers, the air thick with the smell of warm paper and the gentle hiss of steam. This drying process, carefully controlled to prevent shrinking or warping, is essential for removing the last vestiges of moisture. As the paper glides over the heated surfaces, it transforms from a damp, pliable sheet into a strong, stable material, ready to receive the written word or the artist's brushstroke. Now dry and strong, the paper undergoes its final transformation in the calendaring process. Here the paper is passed through a series of polished steel rollers, each one meticulously calibrated to impart a specific surface finish. From the high gloss of magazine paper to the subtle sheen of writing paper, the calendaring process is where the paper truly takes on its final character, ready to meet the demands of its intended purpose. The finished paper, a testament to the intricate dance of nature and technology, is now ready for its final preparations. Giant blades slice through the paper with surgical precision, dividing the continuous roll into sheets of various sizes, or leaving it as large rolls for industrial applications. The air buzzes with the whirring of machinery as the paper is inspected one last time, ensuring that only the highest quality product makes its way into the world. For some papers, the journey doesn't end there. Additional finishes, ranging from coatings to embossing, add a touch of magic, enhancing the paper's aesthetics and functionality. Coatings like clay or calcium carbonate impart a smooth, glossy finish, ideal for printing vibrant images. Embossing, on the other hand, creates a raised or indented pattern, adding a tactile dimension to the paper. These finishing touches, often invisible to the naked eye, elevate the paper from a simple writing surface to a canvas for creativity. Finally, the paper, now in its finished form, is carefully packaged, ready to begin its journey to consumers and creators around the world. Sheets are neatly stacked and wrapped in protective reams, while rolls are securely bound and labeled. From the forests to the factory floor, the journey of paper is a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring fascination with this versatile material. And so the cycle continues, each sheet of paper carrying within it the echoes of its remarkable journey. And there you have it, the traditional process of making paper. From harvesting raw materials to the final packaging, each step is crucial in creating the paper we use every day. It's a process that blends the power of nature with the precision of engineering, a testament to human innovation spanning millennia. Next time you pick up a book, jot down a note, or marvel at a work of art on paper, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken. Each sheet is a blank canvas, imbued with the potential for creativity, communication, and the preservation of knowledge.